Line after retirement, I'm going to show you how I replace over-the-range microwave oven food with Hauslane UC-PS18SS under cabin range hood. So this is my microwave, and I already take this part away, and this is the UC-PS18SS 30 inches. So step one is prepare the tool and test the hood UC-PS18. The second step is remove over-the-range microwave oven and hood. Step 3 is prepare the area for the installation. Step 4 is prepare the hood itself. And step 5 is doing the installation. So these are some tools I use. And the major thing I use is the car jack, two of the car jack to hold the microwave, and some vacuum to clean up the space. And I did test the PS18 and it worked out fine. Step 2 is remove microwave oven and hood. So you can see this is my microwave, and it's holding from the bottom by this hook, metal hook, and on the top is a screw. So what I did is just bend this hook 90 degrees, so you can easily slide out like this. And you can see I find a very nice stable box and put the car jack to hold the microwave. I can use hand to fine-tune the height. And you can see it's holding the microwave nicely. Then I start cutting the cable on the top and take off the screw. When you start moving the microwave, make sure you wear gloves, you wear protection clothing. And you can see once I load the car jack, and microwave gradually separate from the wall, and eventually I can easily take it out. And this is a microwave outside. So you can see I actually take this metal part to fix the hole. Unfortunately, there's a structure wood stud in the van. So I will tell you how I deal with it. And this, I take the microwave apart, and on the drywall there's a metal part, and I take the metal part away. The step number 3 is prepare the area for the installation of UC-PS18. And you can see you can install it from the top or install it from the side. And this install for the side, these are installed from the top. In my case, it's too much work from the top, so I decide to use the side. However, there's a catch. So there's a structure wood stud here, and so in that case I have to cut part of the van, and because I did not cook that much, so although it cut in the efficiency, it still worked at the end for me. So you can see I have to clean the grease, and these are the grease I clean, and eventually it's clean like this. The hole is a little bit too big from the sideway, so I have to do something. I do some measurement, and this is what I need to cut. I draw a hole. You need to drill first, then you just using this metal saw to cut it. And you can see this